Hey guys, let's take a look at the cloud cover. Start with Zoomer, the satellite photo. Okay, it seems to be the Icelandic Met Office. They have the high clouds. See these white things here? These are the high clouds. So like earlier, Icelandic Met Office was the only one who had them. I can see they are like thicker kind of here versus like I can see some darker areas here, but definitely like now, this is now open area is here like north of Borgarnes and southern parts of Snæfellsnes Peninsula. Melasveit here, Akranes area. It's probably a little bit clouded at the moment at Keflavik and maybe Reykjavik is like partly open. So we kind of want it a little bit better for Reykjavik and Keflavik, but you know this can easily change. We'll see what happens with it. At the moment, like my suggestion is from Reykjavik to drive up to this area and if still clouded up here. Borgarnes here, you'll probably find just in Borgarnes or just a little bit northwest of Borgarnes. And I actually think like these openings, they're going to move a little bit closer here. I think nobody is anywhere else, so it looks like we are all here in the west. We need improvements for Keflavik, need improvements for Reykjavik, but north of Reykjavik seems to be the place to go. But you know, this is a photo from 6 p.m. So we'll see how that evolves. The forecasts are, let me see, let's check windy. What do the forecasts say? Is it going to get better or worse? So the gray thing, that's high clouds. Remove it. Yeah, they think it's going to improve. So there are a little bit more maybe high clouds now than forecasted, but they might just go away. So then Keflavik, Reykjavik, and yeah, the west part will be fine according to this. Let's take a look at Icelandic Met Office. Clouds, okay, they are more correct, except we have a little bit more openings here. So we move it. So according to this, closer to midnight, we might have openings in Keflavik, Reykjavik, but still Borgarnes, Akranes remains open. So for us further south, like Keflavik, Reykjavik, maybe closer to midnight if it is too clouded and you don't want to drive. Those of us in Akranes, Borgarnes are probably fine most of the night. Okay. Yeah, this is the same satellite photo as the other one. Let's see this one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, Borgarnes, Akranes should be a little bit clouded, but should be good enough. And as the evening goes on, Reykjavik and Keflavik. If you see stars, you have a chance. And you don't really like, you don't have to go far. You just have to go into darkness with, try to get out of light pollution. I'm going to put some spots anyway in our areas. And yeah, good luck for tonight. If I'm forgetting someone, like let me know. Like I have only news of somebody here, but other parts seem mostly clouded. But you know, I will still kind of examine those if you let me know if you are in any other parts.